This is Crystal Hart with the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going to take a look at Google Meet with the Grid View and Nod Chrome extensions. We have great news that all RUSD staff and students now have access to the Grid View and Nod in Google Meet, so the next time you go into your Google Meets, you'll notice that you will have both of these features. The Google Meet Grid View allows you to see all of the participants in your Google Meet. You can click on the grid to turn it on and off. When you see the line through the grid, it means it's off. When you click on the grid, you have three options. You can show only participants with their video on, you can highlight the speakers, and you can also choose to include yourself in the grid. When you look at the grid, you'll notice you can see when participants have their mic off and they're muted, when participants are able to speak and be heard. You can also see your grid view settings up here, how many participants are in your Google Meet. You can see the chat box, and then of course you can see yourself in the thumbnail. All RUSD staff and students now have Nod reactions for Google Meet. These reactions are great for when you are facilitating a lesson online and your students are on mute. They can quickly give a thumbs up, a well done, they can do a I'm thinking, a wow, and an LOL. You can see right here that when a student gives a reaction, it will appear on your screen for about 3 to 5 seconds and then disappear. When a student needs to raise their hand because they want to say something or ask a question, they will click on the raise hand icon. Down at the bottom left, the teacher will see that someone raised their hand. Next, if you click on settings, you can make some adjustments based on your need. Hopefully you enjoy using Google Meet with the new Grid View and Nod reactions for your students.